So if you're trying to do the battery side, you've got to take the battery out, this piece out. In fact, my battery's loose. This piece out to get to it. So I ain't going to do that side. But on this side, you just get this piece here. It's like a plastic cover at the back. You turn it to the right. It'll open and it's got open and close written on it. And when you have a look inside, you got this little pin here. Let's pull the cables off first so you can see it. So you move it to one side and it opens up and the bulb comes out. That is it. Bit awkward, but